Hi everyone, happy Friday and welcome to our core value assembly. In this week's assembly, again we're going to have a look at some of the great home learning you've been doing this week and some of the great learning that's been happening in our bubbles around school. Now, as Mrs. Duckworth introduced on Monday, our core value for this week has been teamwork, and we've all been a really great team together as part of Team Hucklow, doing the best we possibly can in our sporting activities to get the best result at the Sheffield School Games. And even some of our teachers have taken part too. We might have a look at some of the activities they've been doing in a little while. But first, what I'd like to do, have a look at some of the great things you've been doing at home. So let's have a look. Some lovely activities there and some great teamwork. Well done everyone. And as I said before, the children in our bubbles at school have been doing some really great learning as well and taking part in great teamwork ready for our Sheffield game. So let's have a look at some of the things our bubbles have been doing in school.
I dream of a day where we will not be judged by your colour but by our personality.
When do I go from dangerous to cute and hated to loved?
The beauty of anti-racism is that you don't have to pretend to be free of racism.
Today, many black people are struggling, but the hatred of Derek Chauvin has created a spark that will light the flame of hope and unified blacks and whites so that we can finally be free. Thanks to George Floyd, we can finally breathe and be freed from the shackles of racism.
We are all different shades from the same colour.
We said Black Lives Matter, never said only Black Lives Matter. We know all lives matter, but we just need help with Black Lives Matter for Black lives are in danger.
Is our core value, and it's the time in our assembly shout outs. So let's say if you've been doing some great learning at home or in school and you've been nominated by your teacher or your parents or carers at home to have that core value shout out this week. Here we go, guys. I hope it's you. First shout out is for Isaac, settled back into nursery really well, being very kind and amazing at remembering his new classroom rules. Well done, Isaac. And our next shout out is for Awa, had a brilliant time in her bubble, been exploring rainbows and colours, and again being really kind and helpful. Well done. Super work. Our next shout out is for Team Rainbow, who have been exploring the question, can rainbows only be found in the sky? Done some great teamwork to explore this learning. Well done, Team Rainbow. And our next shout out goes to Team Magic Bubble, who have worked really well together as a team this week. They've read the book Silly Billy and shared their ideas in their learning together. Well done, everyone. And we have a shout out for Zaid, who's received this nomination from his teacher and his dad for doing some great home learning, good listening, following instructions all the time and really focusing his learning. Well done, Zaid. And we have a shout out for Ryan and Zane in year 1 who have been showing great teamwork in school this week, working well together to solve problems and challenges. Well done, boys. Keep up the great teamwork. And our next shout out is for Syra in year 1, who's been given 100% in all her learning, and her teachers are impressed with how much she wants to learn. Well done, Syra. And our next shout out is for Mohammed, who's worked hard in his home learning this week and over the last few weeks, working really well as a team with his older sister to achieve this and helping his younger sister. Well done, Mohammed. Shout out is for Jeanette, a nomination from your teacher and your mum, saying what great home learning you've been doing, and if you found something tricky, you've just asked your brother to help. Great teamwork, keep it up. Our next shout out is for Hamza, who's been trying really hard in all his home learning over the past many weeks and is eager to tell his teacher everything about his learning in his weekly calls. Well done, Hamza. And our next shout out is for Aisha in Y3, who's been putting fantastic effort into her reading. Has been on Bug Club every day this week and completed all the quizzes. Well done. And another shout out for Anaya in Y4, who's our core value champion this week. Carried on working really hard at home and developing her independence. Well done. Keep it up. Got a shout out for Shaz this week who's stood out for his teamwork in his bubble this week, supporting other children in his bubble, working well as a team and trying his best. Well done, Shaz. And our next shout out goes to Ismail in Y5, who has shown great teamwork this week. He's written a book review about his favourite book, The Book of Life, and he wanted to share this on the website so his friends would feel inspired and create their own book review. Great teamwork, Ismail, keep it up. And our next shout out is for Malika, who has shown great teamwork this week, helping a mum in the garden, being really helpful and also doing some fantastic home learning. Well done, Malika. Our next shout out is for the whole of 6AW. Miss Wallace wanted to give the class a special shout out for being such great team players and being so positive when she speaks to you. She's super proud of you all. Our next shout out is for our Year 6 bubble, Bubbletastic. Their first week in school, they've worked well together as a team, supporting each other in their learning and sporting activities. Keep up the great team. And in Year 6 from the Chocolate Cake Bubble, we got a shout out for Vincent, who has had a fantastic week, been a great team player, participated, supported his friends and done all this with a smile. Well done, Vincent. Our next shout out is for Diona from Team Incredible. She's shown fantastic support for her team members this week and really celebrated their successes during their sporting achievement. And finally, from our Penguin Bubble, we have a shout out for Shaz, who has shown tremendous teamwork through School Games Week. Brilliant at cheering his teammates on and encouraging them to do better. Well done, Shaz. Some great shout outs there. It's my favourite part of the week, getting to find out who has got the core value shout outs, because I know you're making it a really hard decision for your teachers and your parents for those nominations. So keep up the great work, everyone. Well done. Now, I'm also really looking forward to finding out how well Team Hook Club have done at Sheffield School Games. So I'll look forward to hearing the results of that, hopefully next week. Now, all that remains for me to say is have a great weekend, stay safe, and I will see you next week. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.